Xylon integrated grinding machine. Parts list. New 3 automatic filling function. Method 1. Connect the pressure regulator to the water inlet. The other end connect to the water inlet. Method 2. Connect the water hose to the water inlet. The other end connect to a fixed container. Method 3. 2.5 升 water tank. Pour in an appropriate amount of coffee bean. Use dosing funnel. Press and hold for 2 seconds. Use tamper. Press powder. Start to extract coffee. Whipped milk foam.
Pull-up 茶